Innovation for waste minimization.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the seal on a 6-gallon recycler lid. First of all, start off by removing the old seal and cleaning out the containment area. Then take the new seal and basically just lightly press in over the containment area. Making sure to leave a small gap. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to seat the seal. We're going to take a back end of a wrench, works best, and press in the seal, working from one half of the lid, and then we'll come back and do the other half of the lid. So let's first do this side. This process of doing it like this allows us to remove all the air from behind the seal. Obviously, if the air heats up, the air will expand and push the seal out of position, which will cause leakage. Now, once you have the seal, pretty much all the air is burped out, we pushed it around, we have this last little inch worm of material, we'd like to call it. Now we need to work that back in, just like the other material. Sometimes what you end up doing is you'll just keep pushing down, work that material until it completely is encapsulated in the containment area. This puts a nice compression on the seal and allows the seal to do its job. We have now replaced the seal.
Innovation for waste minimization.